Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to personalize your Slack workspace by customizing your theme and sidebar. First, click on your workspace name in the top left corner. Then select Preferences from the menu. Go to the Themes section. Here you can choose from preset color themes or create your own custom theme by selecting colors for different parts of the interface. If you want to use a custom theme, you can find color codes online or create your own palette. Just paste the hex codes into the custom theme editor. Next, let's organize your sidebar. In the same Preferences menu, go to Sidebar. Here you can choose which sections to show or hide, and even customize the order of your channels and direct messages. You can create custom sidebar sections to group your channels however you like, by project, department, or priority. Want to quickly switch between light and dark mode? Just toggle the setting at the top of the Themes section. Your theme will sync across all your devices where you use Slack, and that's it. You've just personalized your Slack workspace to match your style and workflow. If you create a cool custom theme, let me know your color scheme in the comments. See you in the next one.